question A, we have 2 log y base x is equal to 1 and x times y is equal to 64. We take down solution. Question A, 2 log y base x is equal to 1. Then applying the law of power, this gives us log y squared base x is equal to 1. Then changing from logarithmic form to index form, it gives us y squared to be equal to x, which is the base, raised to the power 1. X to the power 1 remains x. This is our equation 1. Equation 2, we have been given that x times y is equal to 64. Then replacing x with y squared, this gives us y squared times y to be equal to 64. Then y squared times y gives us y cubed to be equal to 64. Then we are looking for y, so if we take a cube root on both sides, cube root of y cube is equal to the cube root of 64. This will imply that y will simply be equal to the cube root of 64, which is 4. 4 times 4 times 4 gives us 64. Knowing the value of y, we can proceed to find the value of x from equation 1 by using equation 1. Which gives us x to be equal to y squared. Then x will simply be equal to 4 squared, and 4 squared is simply equal to 16. Then we conclude, therefore, x is equal to 16 and y is equal to 4.